Hey guys, HSF Productions coming to you from Royal Oak, Michigan today. Today was a very special day, as this will be the 50th time in my life I have ever caught CN Train E251. And it would also be the second time that we caught the Grand Trunk Western Heritage Unit here on the channel. So without further ado, let's get started. First up would be Amtrak 350 with a completely normal consist pulling into Royal Oak. Something weird that I noticed was that the fourth car in line was making a very weird hissing sound from the brake system. I do not know what this was, but about 2 minutes later, 350 got moving again, heading northbound for Troy and Pontiac.
I did have to leave super early this morning, so that was
After 350, we would catch Canadian National Train E251 for the 50th time, and it would be special today. It would have I think it was about 4 GEVOs and 1 SD70M-2, including a foreign power Union Pacific locomotive. Next up after 251 would come the main event, CN Train Q116, which was hosting the Grand Trunk Western Heritage Unit today, locomotive number 8952, which was unveiled in about 2018 for the CN Heritage Fleet. Something kind of funny about this train is that in Waterford, it hit a tree, like it hit a downed tree. It was really weird, so it took like an extra hour and a half, so that annoyed me. Something else that I found weird about CNQ 116 today was that it got a clear heading into the motorm yard, which it normally doesn't. It normally gets in a restricting approach or advanced approach, but today he got a clear signal. Reason being, he was actually pulling by the yard and backing in because his intermodals were on the back end of the train today, not the front end. Doing this maneuver in a train is commonly called a pull-by and back-in maneuver. Something else that me and the boys found strange was that the CN train actually had intermodals on it today. We thought it was going to be all auto racks, but it actually did have intermodals on it today. One of our theories before we caught the train was that it was going to drop the intermodals in one of the yards along the line. Could have been Battle Creek Yard, Pontiac Yard, or even the Bristol Yard in Flint, Michigan, which we railfanned a few episodes ago. Finally, after almost 60 auto racks, the intermodals would come through onto this section of the train, the second half. As CNQ 116 would come to a close with its final couple of intermodal cars, I would like to give shout-outs to my friends for railfanning, which are Mitten State Railfan, aka Sean, Midwest Railfan Productions, aka Aaron, and Detroit Area Railfan, aka Brody. Thank you all for watching, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.